Hello there YouTubers, here I have another electric bike. This is a macwheel. I believe it's the Cruiser 550 in the United States, but it's also called a Sendai City. Macwheel Cruiser 500 is its other name, of course. So yeah, you know, not a bad little bike. It's got an in-frame battery, 10 amp hour, 36 volts. We have the KBY display. This lets you customise everything. You can turn the throttle on and off. You can change pedal assist, you can change at what voltage the battery bars start to drop, which is pretty cool. You can change the speed, you can change the current and all that kind of stuff. I've got it to unrestricted speed and it still does 15 miles an hour, so it goes a bit faster. The current limit is set to 30 amps. No, sorry, 24 amps, that's something else I'm thinking of. 24 is the maximum on the KBY display, or KBY disp as they call it. Not a bad bike, you know. Quite a cool frame. That is a fake tapered head tube, by the way. It's not a 1.5, it's an 1/8 going, you know, it's that going down to an 1/8 just to look cool. The forks are called strong shock suspension. Yeah, you're going to be in for quite a strong shock if you use these off-road any kind of way, because, well, they're not going to be very strong and you're going to end up having a strong shock into a bush. You know, they're not really meant for anything. Steel lowers, you know, cheapy. Really cheap oil seal. Just a dust wiper, really. Has a light on the front of it. There is a switch for that. It's kind of broken off, but hey ho. Light, horn. Sounds like a mobility scooter horn. It has the mouse ear shifters on here. So, you know, these actually seem to work alright. Usually these are horrible, but they're actually alright. Someone's put a backlight on it at some stage. See if the actual backlight does work. Yeah, she's working. Not as well as probably this little thing does though. It's a beast, I'm sure. There's still those in QD. Fairly generic things. The motor is a tiny little 250 watt, in the case of the UK motor, 700C. No branding on it or anything like that. It looks similar to a Bafang, but it's probably not. Disc brakes, we've got mechanical disc brakes, Shimano Tawny rear derailleur, which is bottom of the line as far as Shimano's range goes. I've seen these on £100 bikes, same with those shifters. So for £799 on Amazon. I mean, it's not a bad deal. It's not like, you know, you're mostly paying for the battery and the frame. This is being integrated, but there are better bikes for less money. I assure you of that. I mean, it's alright, it looks nice, looks the part. It's a base ski bike, it'll do the job. The displays, the main crown jewel is this. This is a pretty cool little display. You can customise so much in here, from pedal assist, when the pedal assist mode kicks in and all that kind of stuff can be customised on that little display. So how sensitive it is and all that kind of stuff. Well, we have a throttle as well. Should have mentioned that. That can be turned on or off in there. By default, the throttle is actually turned off on this thing. It's not letting me do it now. I'm pressing buttons. That's strange. Okay, let's just get this. So you've got to press this down, get it into advanced mode twice. What was it under? SYS, I think. That's the speed restriction mode. I don't know what 12 means. That's all it goes up to. I'm not 100% familiar with this little display yet, but I just saw a YouTube video and I tried it from there. I should be able to get throttle though. Oh, there we go. No, it's walk assist. Ugh. I don't know, maybe if I turn the mode up a little bit. Oh, there you go, PU. Okay. Turn this off to a hard. Okay. No, you just take my word for it. You can do it, but I can't remember off the top of my head whilst I'm holding the camera what you got to do to save the setting. But I did throttle it all the way up there, and it was pretty good. So if I just get on this thing, it's in pedal assist right now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, no, it's still not letting me use the throttle, it's just in pedal assist mode. That's the rack vibrating at the back, because not the rack, the mud guard, sorry. It's a good thing these are water resistant, because this water mains still leaking. They are trying to repair it, but apparently it's a pain in the butt. Yeah, mud guards are doing their thing, cool. It's not the strongest motor in the world, it has to be said. Hedgehog, got to see his flatmate. You know, he's the flatmate. The relevant cat. Looks a bit mangy, that one. That is just the mudguard making that noise. It is absolutely horrible, I know. Doing 10 mile an hour. I'm not putting barely any pedalling into it, by the way. Maybe I should do, being lazy. This riding position, it's sit up and beg riding position. It is not the best bike for pedalling, or at least not one-handed. Heady thing. Oh, that's exactly resist this one. I'll try and pull over. So I'm on a slow electric bike, not a good one. The brakes on this are not the best, but they do work. Obviously a bit mechanical rather than hydraulic. Yeah. Suspension fork, well, yeah, does about as much as you'd expect, which isn't much. Coil fork, no damage or anything like that at all. Very flexy. Yeah, that concludes the video on the macwheel electric bike. Thank you for watching.